This is the MageKey wireless keyboard. I got it from the TikTok shop. It's only like 50 bucks. You can grab it from that link. In my opinion, it's a really good keyboard. It has a wireless adapter, comes with a charging cable and a key puller. All those different light modes, guys. And all you gotta do to switch the light modes, just hit that function and that slash button. I'll cycle through them right quick just to show you. Really nice. It works on my laptop. It works on a desktop PC. It works on my PS5 and like other gaming consoles. Really nothing to complain about on this keyboard. Super worth the money. MageKey makes really good keyboards. All the lights are on point. The keys are really clicky. Grab that link, man. Just grab that link. It's so worth it. MageKey makes really good ones. This is the wireless version. So worth 50 bucks. Grab that link.